Hi guys, welcome back to J&S Accessories. Okay, today we're going to talk about pin locks. I know we've done a video on it before, how to fit a pin lock and why it's important, but we're going to do now, can I adjust my pin lock if it starts to fail? And the answer is yes, you can. We're going to have to zoom right in because I need to show you the little pins and how to do it. So that's going to be the next step. Okay, so some of you will have a pin lock in, okay, but it still fogs. And when you go to wipe it, the fogging has gone between the two layers. Okay, what a lot of people don't realise is that the pins have offset centres, okay? So they can be adjusted. Factory setting will put the centres of the pins at the widest points, okay? And once the pin lock seal starts to wear, what you need to do is turn the pins so that the widest points come inwards. What this does is put pressure back onto the pin lock insert and push it against the visor, thus causing the seal again. Okay, once you've got the seal, you can't get the air between the two and it won't mist up between the two, and your pin lock should start working perfectly again. So the idea is to turn the pins. Once you pop your pin lock out, which you can do like that, you'll be able to see that the center of that pin is offset to the head, and then you will understand how by turning the pin you can tighten the pin lock back onto the visor. Okay, any questions, anything like that, just put in the comments below and we'll talk you through it. Please remember to like and subscribe to see more videos like this.